Hello everyone, looking to save on your next pizza order? In this quick video, I'll show you the best Pizza Hut promo codes you can use right now. So first, head to the official Pizza Hut website. I'll leave a link in the description below and click on the coupons or just go to this link directly and you'll see this page here. So here you can find exclusive deals. Just simply click on get Pizza Hut deals and you'll see a lot of deals on your nearby locations. So there are deals like $10 taste makers and discounts on family favorites like the big dinner box. Plus, you can join like Pizza Hut deal member. Oh, sorry, you can join the Hut rewards to earn points for free pizza. And you can also find deals on wings, breadsticks, for example, by joining the Hut rewards here. And that is the deals page, and this is the offer here. So on, for example, like you can find deals on wings, breadsticks, drinks, and even desserts like unlimited chocolate chip drink cookies or the triple chocolate brownies. Anyway, so that's all for the official Pizza Hut coupon site. Now there are some other platforms as well. And for example, you can find deals on Retail Minot or Coupon Follow or coupons.com or even groupon.com. So there are a lot of deals. So if you want to avail a offer, just click the C code or get deal option and then simply copy the code when you want to like order. All right. And redeeming the coupon is very simple. Just make sure the coupon works, like some has expiry dates. So make sure to keep that in mind. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your pizza and save big with these easy promo codes. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick money saving tips.